We look at the outside world for learning, which is good. We study global brands to understand more about marketing, which is great. But did you know we have one of the foremost sports franchisees and one of the biggest global brands in India, created by Indians? कौन सा है ये brand? It's the Indian Premier League or the IPL. Friends, this is not just an Indian Premier League, it is a premier cricket league of the world. It is also one of the best examples of a sports franchise. What can we learn from the IPL from a marketing point of view? What are the lessons that it gives us? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Abhishek Jhingan, and on this channel we talk about marketing strategy which helps us build brands and drive businesses to new heights. IPL का success काफी fast हुआ है. It was launched in the year 2008. Let's go back to what was happening in the time of 2007-2008. The longer formats of the game, जो हम white ball cricket बोलते हैं, ODI उस टाइम का white ball, and Test cricket जो लंबा फॉर्मेट है, ये थोड़े बोरिंग हो रहे थे. कुछ क्रिकेट लीग्स ने T20 ऑलरेडी शुरू कर दिया था. ऑल्सो फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ICC ने अपना क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप लॉन्च किया T20 का. And India won the World Cup under a young team, under a young captain called MS Dhoni. All this fueled the craze for cricket as well as T20 cricket. So the board of cricket, the administration of cricket in India, took a very, very strong decision. They introduced the T20 format. T20 format क्या था? White ball अभी तक 50, पहले 60 ओवर का था, फिर अब 50 ओवर पे में खेला जा रहा था. थोड़ा लंबा हो गया था. T20 was about 20 overs per side, took 3.5 hours. It was glitzy and glamorous, almost like going to a Hindi movie. People were involved. There was a huge auction which was kept. Simple format, 8 and then later 10 teams participated. They played each other twice over about 2 months. There was a glitzy auction. Foreign players came in. So this was a short, glamorous package which the BCCI introduced in a beautiful way. So there were some inherently strong reasons behind the IPL success. In India, we have always had a large following for cricket. बहुत लोग क्रिकेट देखते हैं, but these are the ardent, passionate followers of the game or those who love India sports. By making this short format, for the first time, even others who are not so interested in cricket, the other members of the family, ये सब बैठ के ये क्रिकेट मैच देख सकते थे. क्यों? छोटा था, 3-3.5 घंटे का एक छोटा सा इवेंट था, एक्साइटिंग था, ग्लिट्सी था, quick results, lot of action packed. So the target audience became bigger. That was one of the main success points behind the IPL. Secondly, जो T20 फॉर्मेट रखा इस टूर्नामेंट का सिर्फ 2 महीने के लिए था. These months were April and May. April and May is where almost across India, despite so many boards being there, बच्चों की छुट्टियां होती हैं. Now this was a time where the family spent time together. It was a time for some entertainment value to come in, and the IPL perfectly coincides with this part of the season. So what happens? You get much more eyeballs. Already you have a larger audience. All of them are glued to the TV. What does this bring? This brings more viewership. What does more viewership bring? More brands which are interested in advertising. ये फिर भी early days थे. Remember T20 had just come in, so everyone was learning. To the IPL organizers' credit, they kept innovating. Beautiful marketing promotions were created around IPL every year, and they are still created. The signature IPL tune, जब भी वो tune आती है, all of us are glued to the TV, right? Or the radio where we hear it. Secondly, cheerleaders, magnificent, glamorous opening ceremonies. A huge auction which is held to decide the players which will be joining each franchise. ये बहुत बड़ा draw है. This itself fuels the frenzy. Also, IPL is slightly ahead of the curve in introducing new rules every time, special player rules. So it keeps inventing even in that. So all this keeps IPL exciting all the time. Commercially also, IPL is extremely viable. सबका फायदा होता है इसमें. BCCI, of course, it gets money from the franchises. Media rights is a big source of revenue collection. Sponsor, जो टाइटल स्पॉन्सर होता है IPL का हर 5 साल या हर 10 साल के लिए जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जाता है, that is another source of revenue. the franchisees themselves, they get part of the media rights money from the BCCI. They have their own sponsors. So it's a very, very lucrative game for them, if you like. Media houses, of course, they get their ad slots, so it is lucrative for them as well. सबसे बड़ा फायदा शायद इन अ वे इंडियन प्लेयर्स के लिए है, बोथ इन टर्म्स ऑफ जो रेम्यूनरेशन इंक्रीज हुआ है, ऑल्सो द अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट दे गेट टू शोकेस देयर स्किल्स. One important point that we should keep in mind is that the IPL tournament is a complex tournament जो बहुत सिंपल और ईजी दिखता है हमें. वी थिंक ऑफ इट एज वॉट दैट इन दीज 2 months every evening there is a match for 3 to 4 hours which we can see. Saturday, Sundays there might not be one, there might be 2 matches. But इतना सिंपल नहीं है. Think of the logistical requirements. Think कि कितना हर गेम के लिए प्रिपरेशन चाहिए. लोग एक शहर छोड़ के दूसरे शहर आ रहे हैं. The teams, the media, the support staff, which is huge. Think of the organizing required for all this. Friends, even हम अपने ऑफिस में एक इवेंट अगर ऑर्गेनाइज करना हो 2 से 3 दिन तक, आप लोग सब जो इवेंट्स में हैं या मार्केटिंग में रहे हैं फॉर various occasions, it can be a nightmare. There is so much to think about. You think of this tournament day in and day out for 2 months, the kind of background effort and work that is required. I am not even looking at the year-long work that happens on various facets of the IPL. So friends, clear important understanding for us that it's complex execution made to look simple. I am an all-weather cricket fan. I love cricket in all formats. Ironically though, I prefer test cricket more. I like the longer format. So it's a little ironic that we are doing this piece on the IPL. However, क्या हम सीख सकते हैं IPL से? मार्केटिंग और स्ट्रैटेजी की क्या लर्निंग्स है? फ्रेंड्स, 3 इंपॉर्टेंट लर्निंग्स. 1, the pure understanding of the customer behavior. Large population of India, cricket crazy nation, but how well the organizers understood this shorter format and how it can be made a great offering for the customers for this. Secondly, we talked about it, the flawless execution. It's great to have a good strategy, it's wonderful to have a tight plan, but ultimately marketing comes down to execution. But thirdly and most importantly, India एक massive consumer market है. अगर हम यहाँ sound strategic thinking apply करें, एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस करें जो वैल्यू दे यहाँ के कंज्यूमर्स के लिए और इसे एग्जीक्यूट करें फ्लॉलेसली, we can make mind-blowing brands in India itself. The IPL is a great example and a great learning for all of us. Friends, how did you like this discussion on IPL? क्या इसने आपको भी कुछ सिखाया मार्केटिंग और स्ट्रैटेजी के बारे में? What are your thoughts? Tell us in the comments below. Also, please do share this with your friends, associates. Ask them also to share this ahead. Like this video and thank you so much.